guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Dala and welcome. And today we have a very fun video planned. I am going to be helping you guys glow up. So excited. I've been so excited to film this. I'm always making videos about makeup that suits your features and making videos about how to glow up. And a lot of you guys want me to analyze your face personally, but there's so many of you and I can't get back to all of you guys, so I thought this would be fun. So I chose a couple of you guys, got a picture of people in this video today without makeup and with their current makeup routine. So I did makeup that I think would suit them on the picture of them without makeup and like hair and everything. Like I gave them a full makeover in this picture, have all of their consent to be in this video and for their pictures to be shown in this video. Another disclaimer, you don't have to do what I say. This is my opinion only. You can do whatever you want. So yeah, let's get started. So the first person that I'm going to be analyzing is Maddie. Put her Instagram up here so you guys can see her account. This is the pictures that she sent into me. This is her without makeup and this is her with makeup. What I can see from your picture of your current makeup routine, I feel like it just doesn't really suit your face. Like, you are gorgeous, like you're so pretty, but I feel like the makeup that you are doing is not accentuating your features. I feel like your blush placement specifically is dragging your face down a bit. Yeah, and from this picture, I don't know if it's just the shades, but I have a feeling you are not cool tone. I feel like warm tone colors might suit you better. This is how I think that you could glow up. I put some warm tone colors on you. You are definitely a low visual weight and you have a rounder face shape. And I was playing around with different makeup colorings and obviously it's hard to tell if someone is warm tone or cool tone just from a picture because of lighting and everything, but whenever I was putting the cool tone colors on you, I don't know, it just did not suit you or your complexion. It made you almost look a bit more tired. So I just put you in more warmer tone colors and I honestly think that it looks great on you. With the hair, I did change up your hair a little. I think that this shade of like a golden blonde would suit you so well, almost like my shade of hair. And I think that if you grew your hair out a little bit, it would suit your face shape a lot. Longer hair tends to suit rounder faces better. I also put some waves in your hair because wavy hair also does suit rounder faces better than straight hair as well. And I gave you some bangs. I was going through all the hair options and for some reason, I just could not stop staring at your face with bangs. Like, I think that you look so good in bangs, so you should definitely think about it. Maybe not bangs that full, but maybe more wispy bangs or curtain bangs. I feel like that would just suit you so well. I just feel like it goes with the vibe of your face very well. I also did more natural makeup on you because, again, you are a lower visual weight and low visual weights usually look better with more natural makeup. I also put the blush placement in the middle of your cheeks because I thought that would look the cutest on you. And I did overline your top lip just a little bit, just to balance out your overall face. So Maddie, I would love for you to try out this makeup. Obviously the hair is a bit drastic of a change, so you don't have to do that anytime soon, but I would love to see you try out this makeup and send it to me. The next girly that I did, she doesn't have her name anywhere on her profiles, but this is her profile. These are the two pictures that she sent me. I honestly think you are already super beautiful naturally. I don't think you sent me a picture of your current makeup routine, but you're just so pretty naturally, girl. But this is what I did for your makeover. You already have long hair, so I didn't really have to do anything with that. I did edit longer hair on the picture of you without hair though, because I forgot about the other picture that you sent me with your hair actually down. But you already have the longer hair, so that's great. And it's very hard to tell through pictures whether you're warm toned or cool toned, so you might have to figure that out on your own, but I think that this is the makeup to suit you best. I think that you may be a medium visual weight, which means you are kind of in between a low and a high visual weight, so makeup that is in between will suit you. And as you can probably notice by now, I did put your hair as a light blue color because as I was going through the hair options, I don't know why, but whenever I saw you with like that blue color on your hair, it just looked so good on you. So if you're down for dyeing your hair, I think that would look so good on you if you are actually cool toned. I arched your eyebrows and softened them up a little bit. And of course I put cool tone makeup on you because I thought that's what suited you best in this lighting. I gave you more of a cat eye type eye makeup because I feel like it just suits your eyes so well. I put the blush in the center of your face again. But yeah, I definitely want to see you try out this makeup look too, so once you try it out, send it to me. This is the next girly that I did a makeover for. Her name is Ira, I don't know, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm not good at pronouncing things. But these are the 2 pictures that she sent me. I don't think that your makeup routine now is horrible on you, but a few things that I would say is probably to take away the red lip, because I feel like it doesn't really suit your face for some reason. It may just be the shading or the coloring, but I just feel like it does not suit your face. Yeah, from your current makeup, that'd be the only takeaway. I think everything else looks fine on you. Here is how I did your makeover. I'm changing everyone's hair. I'm so sorry. But this is what I did. You are 100% a high visual weight, so I would love to see you try out some more high visual weighted makeup or bold looking eye-catching makeup. So I put you with more bold, longer eyeliner, more dramatic lashes, more dramatic eye makeup. I also put you in cool tone makeup, and I overlined your top lip just a little bit. I think you look amazing in cool tone color, so I'm pretty sure you are a cool tone. For your hair, I made it kind of like a dark burgundy color, and then I added some curls into it, which I think that literally looks so freaking good on you. Like if you like are in a situation where you can dye your hair to this color, dye your hair to this color, because it just suits you so well. I feel like I kind of gave that darker purpley color vibe all over your face for the makeup, and I think that color just looks so insanely good on you. Might be a cool tone girly. I think you are definitely a cool tone girly, so I would opt for more cool tone jewelry, including your nose ring. I also added more volume at the top of your head on your cranial top, so I would recommend doing that with hairstyling. It's basically where you add volume back here. But yeah, you are super gorgeous, and I literally love this style and look on you, so I need you to try this makeup and immediately send it to me. Thank you. So this is the next girly that I helped glow up. Here's her socials. She does not have her name on her thing because she's a Stan account, but you're so gorgeous, like. And here are the 2 pictures that she sent me. I honestly, it's crazy because when I was doing your makeup, my glow up makeup on you, without looking at your like normal daily routine makeup, and literally I did such a similar look to what you already do. Like you don't even need to glow up. Here's her everyday makeup, then here's the makeup that I did. Like literally the only difference is that mine has more of like a pinky tone to it, more brownish pinkish tone, and her eyeshadow has more of a gray tone, but like literally the style of the eyes are so similar. I feel like girl, I feel like you are doing everything right already. But I would recommend for your eyeshadow to go more for colors like this instead of the more gray tones, because I feel like the gray tones almost make you look a bit more tired. And I would also focus on highlighting your under eyes a lot like I did in the picture. I would recommend just trying the highlight that I put on you in this picture and the contouring that I put on you in this picture. Literally, it was so similar to what you already do. Oh yeah, I also put like natural pinkish contacts on you because I don't know why, but they look so good on you. Like literally, you need to get some natural like pinkish purplish contacts because I feel like you would just look so good with them, girl. Like, I know that you can find some at Moody Lenses. I think that I have one on my Shop My account, so make sure you go check that out because I think I do actually have pink lenses that I wear on there, so go check that out. But yeah, you honestly don't really need to change anything that you do. I feel like you have already kind of found your style. You're definitely more of a higher visual weight. I think that you are cool tone, and I think you already figured all that out. Like, girl, you are already doing everything right. Like, props to you. Next girl that I helped glow up is actually my friend in real life. She wanted me to help her, so of course I'm going to. Her name is Mackenzie, and girl, what do you mean you need to glow up? Because you are already so pretty. Like, don't even talk to me. Don't text me. anymore because what do you mean you need to glow up? Anyways, I've already done Mackenzie's makeup before for like a concert, and I literally just pretty much recreated the same makeup that I did for her at the concert because the makeup that I did on her that day was so gorgeous on her face. Like, I literally could not stop staring at her. Anyways, yeah, these are the pictures that she sent me. I feel like, honestly, Mackenzie, I feel like your makeup already suits you. Because, like, her being my friend, she always comes to me about makeup advice. Anyways, so I've already given her so much advice for makeup and, like, what I think goes well on her, and she's followed, like, a lot of my tips, so I feel like she's already glowed up. Like, I feel like she just already looks so good. Like, going blonde was definitely the right move, girl. Like, you look so good blonde. And the eye makeup, yes. I'm pretty sure I'm the one that started getting her to do the longer eyeliner. It just looks so good, like, and the cool tone, yes. I have already recommended her to do cool tone makeup before, so she already knows that she is a cool tone, and she already knows that she is a lower visual weight, because I've told her. So, like, I feel like she, like, already has it down, like, she doesn't need my help. This is the makeup that I did on her. Like I said, pretty much the exact same makeup that I did on her for the concert. I'll put up a picture side by side so you guys can see. She is definitely, since I've seen her in person, I already know her animal face type because, like, I'm able to actually analyze her in person. So I know she is a bunny face type, like 1,000 billion% this girl is a bunny face type. So I did more, like, bunny looking makeup on her. And obviously, since she's a bunny face type, I put blush in the middle. I overlined your top lip just a little bit because I feel like it would just add more balance and harmony to your face. Definitely keep the blonde hair since you are a low visual weight. It just helps with the overall softness of your appearance. But yeah, girl, you don't need to glow up. Like, you already talked to me about beauty stuff and advice like 24/7. I already got your back. The next girly that I helped glow up, why can't I find her account? I literally just had a picture of it. Where did it go? Guys, I just had a picture of it, I swear. Whatever, I'll put her socials here. You are literally so freaking pretty. Like, all of you guys are pretty. Literally all of you guys are pretty. Like, why are you coming to me to glow up? You guys are already so pretty. Like, honestly, again, I feel like the makeup you do now already kind of suits your features. I feel like the makeup you do now already kind of suits your features very well because you are a lower visual weight. Your appearance is very soft already. Your hair color already suits you pretty well. The hair length suits your face shape. You're a low visual weight and you already do low visual weight makeup. So, I mean, from the pictures, I can't really tell if you're warm toned or cool tone though. That's the only thing. I had a harder time with your makeup coloring because I just really could not tell from the picture and the lighting if you are a warm tone or a cool tone. But this is the glow up makeup that I did on you. I also changed your hair color to like more of a frosty, like blonde hair color because I don't know why when I was scrolling through and I found that hair color on you, it looked so freaking good on you. Like, I had to pause for a second. I was like, hold on, girl, like, this might be your color. If you can, I recommend trying this color, but if that other hair color is your natural color, stick with it, girl, because it looks so freaking good on you. Like, you don't even need to change your hair color, but it's just a suggestion if you're open to it. For the makeup, I did more of a cool tone coloring because I thought it looked better than the warm tone. Put like a more, since you are low visual weight, of course I did lower visual weighted makeup. I made your eyebrows a little bit more arched, like more glitter on your eyes, because I feel like glitter on your eyes makes your eyes pop. I also put a little bit of a winged liner out, kind of like the one that I'm wearing right now, actually. Obviously, I put blush in the middle of your cheeks. Literally all the girls that reached out to me today have a round or an oval face shape. So y'all all have the same placements for everything. I also put in a little bit like brighter, like ambery contacts because I don't know. I just feel like they look so good on you and they suit you so well. So if you like want to buy contacts, I would definitely recommend getting like a more bright brown ambery color because they just make you pop. Like they make your eyes pop, your complexion pop, everything. Again, I think I have some saved in my Moody lenses collection on my Shop My, so I will definitely link it in the description so you guys can go check that out since I am recommending contacts. But yeah, girl, you are so pretty. Like, on to the next girly. Again, this is another stan count, so I don't know if this is their real name or not, but this is their account. Her name is Leem. For sure. And honestly, again, so pretty. All of you guys are gorgeous. Like, hold on. I think you are definitely cool toned. Your complexion just looks very cool toned. I definitely think that you are cool toned. And this is the makeup that I did on you earlier, the glow up makeup that I did on you earlier that I thought looked super good on you. Now that I'm looking back, like I did this without looking at the other makeup that you normally do, but now looking back, I feel like more saturated, airy colors might look better on you. I think you're definitely cool toned and a little bit more on the high visual weight side. So like more high visual weighted makeup will suit you better. Like honestly though, your now makeup routine looks really good on you. For my picture that I did, I put more high visual weighted makeup on you and I did the eyeshadow more like grayish. But now looking between your current makeup and this makeup, I feel like more saturated colors might look good on you. So maybe try this makeup that like I did in the picture, like that style of makeup, but do it with the colors that you already use. And sparkles definitely look really good on you. Your blush placement already looks really good on you. I feel like all of you girlies that reached out to me, like, you guys have already glowed up. Like, what do you mean you need to glow up? Yeah, now that I'm like looking back and forth, I think that the makeup style that I put on you looks good, but the coloring in your normal makeup routine looks better. As a matter of fact, let me literally edit you right now with the same makeup, but brighter. Okay, so this is literally your current makeup routine with the same coloring and everything, just with a more bolder eye look. So what I changed, basically, is I put more eyeshadow out here to make it more bold looking. Added eyelashes, because I don't think you had lashes in the original picture. And then I added a thicker, like, eyeliner wing that is going out like that. And I also put in amber, very, very light amber contacts. And I think that looks so good on you. Like, girl, I'm about to faint in your presence. Like, oh my god. You are so pretty. Oh my god. Like, either way, like, honestly, your normal makeup now suits you really well, but this makeup literally elevates you so much. Like, since you are a high visual weight, you look so good in bold makeup, and this look, yes. I need you to try this makeup and send it to me immediately. Send it to me immediately, okay? Because it just looks so good on you. That is the end of this video. That is everybody who I am helping glowing up. So the girlies that I gave a makeover to, I hope you enjoyed your results. And of course you don't have to do anything that I said because all of you guys are so pretty already. Like, I don't know why you're trying to glow. I don't even know why you're coming to me trying to glow up when you already look so good. Like, but you guys are literally all so freaking pretty. So I hope that you guys liked my advice and enjoyed my advice. Like, honestly, again, you don't have to do anything that I said, but I do think the things that I edited in the picture would elevate you guys' looks to 1000%. Like, I'm just so good, I know. Oh my god. I'm just so good. If you guys want a part 2 to this video, let me know, because this was actually really fun to do and I love helping you guys. So if you want me to help you out again, let me know. Yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more of me, make sure you subscribe, comment any other video ideas that you may have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!